Good morning. I'm meteorologist Paul Fitzsimmons with the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, and this is a weather briefing on a complex weather situation that we have evolving for the next couple days, with a winter storm affecting parts of the area for Wednesday night into Thursday, and then lake effect snow affecting other parts of the region Thursday night into Friday. So changes since the last briefing. We've increased snow amounts slightly with the winter storm. We have warnings and advisories now in effect for Wednesday night into Thursday. And we have now issued a lake effect snow watch for Thursday night into Friday for Onondaga, Madison, and Oneida counties with the expected lake effect snow. So in summary, a complex weather situation evolving. Part one will be the coastal storm bringing snow and wind for Wednesday night into early Thursday, with the heaviest amounts falling over northeast Pennsylvania and Sullivan County, New York, where we'll be looking at 5 to 8 inches, and lighter amounts just to the north and west. Part two will be lake effect snow setting up southeast of Lake Ontario in the storm's wake for Thursday night into Friday, with potentially significant amounts there as well. So an overview here of the watches, warnings, and advisories we have in effect. This is for the winter storm, and as you can see, much of northeast Pennsylvania, from Luzerne to Lackawanna, Wayne, Pike, into Sullivan County, New York, the area in pink, this is where we have a winter storm warning in effect for Wednesday night into Thursday, where the heaviest snows will be, with advisories in effect for areas just to the north where amounts will be a little bit lower. Again, that's part one. Part two is a lake effect snow we're expecting for Thursday night into Friday, with potentially significant snow amounts in our northern counties. So as far as impacts, we'll be looking at heavy snow potentially impacting travel in both the winter storm warning area as well as the lake effect snow watch area. We'll be looking at blowing and drifting snow possible with both events. Again, 5 to 8 inches of snow expected with the winter storm, and potentially over 7 inches of snow with the lake effect snow as well. So the onset for our winter storm for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we're basically going to be looking at an onset time from around midnight to 2 a.m. for most areas affected by this. So no problems expected for Wednesday evening. It's really going to be as we get into the overnight hours that the heavier snow will be pushing in. So what are we expecting for total snowfall? Well, as mentioned, with the winter storm, we'll be looking at the heaviest amounts over southern and eastern parts of the forecast area. So looking at about 5 to 8 inches affecting areas from Wilkes-Barre to Honesdale to Monticello, with, again, amounts tapering off as you go further to the north and west, looking at around 2 to 4 inches in Broome County towards Oneonta. And then as you get further to the north, places like Ithaca and Cortland, you'll be on the northern fringe of this winter storm, so likely seeing amounts under an inch with this system. Then for part two, Thursday night into Friday, we'll have the lake effect developing. And again, it's going to be that Interstate 90 corridor for northern Onondaga, northern Madison into Oneida counties, where we'll be looking at the heaviest snow potential, with the potential for over 7 inches of snow falling within a relatively short window of time, Thursday night into early Friday morning, with this lake effect before it tapers off by later Friday morning. So that is your weather briefing on this complex weather scenario evolving over the next couple days. Please check back regularly for updates at mobileweather.gov or on the internet at weather.gov/BGM. Have a great day.